Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Our Dubai Vlog.
Sky Views Observatory is located near the heart of downtown Dubai across from Burj Khalifa. Sky Views Observatory is a futuristically designed podium connecting the apex of the address Skyview twin 50-story elliptical dual towers rising from a curvilinear podium.
Sky Views Observatory features a stunning 25 meters long glass floor. At the cantilevered, enjoying exceptional views of the Burj Khalifa. Sky Views Observatory offers unique adrenaline-raising experiences, introduced for the first time in the region, including an outdoor glass slide propelling visitors from level 53 at 219.5 meters to level 52 at 215.5 meters while enclosed in a transparent glass tube.
The Edge Walk is a thrilling airwalk experience allowing visitors to step onto the external perimeter in a hands-free walk taking in the sweeping views of Burj Khalifa while defying gravity.
Sky Views Observatory can be accessed through the address Skyview, the latest addition to the Address Hotels and Resorts 5-star luxury brand, adjacent to the Dubai Metro, and the public walkway system and situated at the junction near Sheikh Zayed Road and the Dubai Mall.
Sky Views Observatory is a conveniently accessible landmark, combining luxury, leisure, and adventure. It is truly one of the city's most attractive destinations.